Or further back, can you see those alder trees up there? And the bushes and the larch?
Die Stauden und der Lerch.
They are really luxuriating in the wind. They're enjoying this balmy evening wind as it wafts past, and the light reflects automatically.
Automatisch noch das Licht, das reflektiert.
If you look over there, you start to join in.
Every year, the Bruno Gröning Circle of Friends organizes hiking weeks in Austria. The friends meet near the Bischofsmütze in the Dachstein mountains in order to fill up with power and recuperate in nature. These hiking weeks develop at the end of the 1980s, born of the wish of some friends who wanted to spend a holiday together in the mountains.
Und so kamen die Freunde hier die ersten Jahre.
And so during the first few years, 30, 40, 50, 60 friends met to climb the mountains in this region together and experience nature. And they noticed that after this week, they returned home feeling refreshed, enlivened and strengthened.
Wieder nach Hause gefahren sind. Ja, und so haben
Yes, so they continued doing this, and year after year, more friends wanted to take part and came along. So now there are 650 friends taking part in the week at the foot of the Bischofsmütze mountain.
hier am Fuße der Bischofsmütze stehen. Von hier aus werden die
We start many walks from here, of course, not all at once in one group. We divide up into groups of 20 to 40 friends, and there are many, many wonderful hikes that take place during the day.
Und am Abend sind wir dann gemeinsam zusammen.
And then we spend the evenings together. Here in the village we have a place where 650 friends can get together. And then we hear all these wonderful reports of what the friends experience in nature here.
In dieser Natur erleben.
Ich habe oft auch erlebt, dass ich in der Natur bin.
I've also often experienced when I'm in nature, and my thoughts, everything is directed upwards. And in the power, then I suddenly realize there is a very gentle and loving, soothing wind that caresses and touches me very gently. And I feel this wind pick up. It starts suddenly, right now as well. Right now, there's a wind like that. And then you open your heart and you realize He is touching and caressing me.
Mich streichelt. Und dann kann ich das aufnehmen.
And I can take this in and the body reacts positively to it. That is an experience.
Und wenn wir da jetzt zum Beispiel so zurückschauen,
And for instance, if we look behind us, these stalks, they're like little antennas, like the hair here on my arm.
Härchen,
They are Mother Earth's little hairs,
und die
and they enjoy the wind and sway in the wind.
liegen sich im
They're very fine antennas,
ganz feine Fühler sind das. Und die machen genau das Gleiche wie unser
and they
Körper.
do exactly the same as our body. They take in the last rays of evening sunshine and the aspects of the wind, and it all goes into the earth. Everything is always the same. The body is exactly like the earth.
Genauso wie die Erde. Jetzt kommt so ein schöner Windstoß.
Now here comes a nice gust of wind. It cools us off a bit. This is also reacting to it. Or further back, can you see those alder trees up there? And the bushes and the larch?
Die Stauden und der Lerch.
They are really luxuriating in the wind. They're enjoying this balmy evening wind as it wafts past, and the light reflects automatically.
Automatisch noch das Licht, das reflektiert.
If you look over there, you start to join in. This is a physical sensation. It's something where you can only stand and stare and take it in. I've got that. The Heilstrom sensitized me.
Der Heilstrom hat mich sensibilisiert.